Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about how we can export DWFX, DWG, Nevis, IFC, whatever exports we needed from Revit without opening that particular model and with the help of Dynamo itself. So right now I have opened one Revit model for which will extract this 3D plumbing view, this 3D plumbing view right there as our DWFX CAD and something like that. So how we can do that thing? Let's see in this video. First of all, I'll close this one. I just opened this one for showing that we are going to export this one. So I'll close this Revit and I opened a new Revit model right there and I opened this is not any kind of this is just a simple whatever Revit version you have you can open any sample file for that one so that you can run the Dynamo itself. So I opened a new Revit and there I have opened the Dynamo itself and I'll click on new so that we can start how we can proceed. So first of all uh, I'll go for the manual mode now. I'll go for directory path first of all because we need to assign the path obviously. So I'll click on directory path and then directory from path. Yeah, it's right there already. Directory from path. So we have got this one. So I'll click on this one and I'll assign where my files are. So those are in data, then Guru and Revit. Yeah, okay. So I have assigned the path for that directory, and if we'll see right there in that directory, I have two sample files. Both are same, but I have created one more copy so that we can see that if we have multiple Revit model at a single path, so how we can extract all those models NWC or whatever we are extracting. Okay, now also I have created one more subdirectory right there, but I do not want this one to be exported as the Nevis or CAT files. So how we can figure it out with that one as well. Okay, so if I'll run it, I can see the path, yeah, that we have given. Fine. Now what I want get directory content. Yeah, get directory contents that we will get from right there. I'll add the directory search string. We want the Revit files. So what I'll do, I'll add the extension of that one. That should be .rvt. So I'll add that one. Right there, you can see include subdirectory. It means if I want to go inside that folder as well, so that I'll go with the subdirectory yes, like true as boolean. If I do not want to go inside that one, so I'll go with the false boolean. So it's automatically boolean false is default given. So I'm not changing that one. Now what I'll do, I got the directory. If I'll run it, so right there you can see we have two both the Revit files. Now what we need to open the document that we got. Okay, so I'll open document. Yeah, get open documents. Sorry, not this one. Open document. Sorry, document. Yeah, it's right there. Get open document by rhythm package. Open document file. Okay, the name is quite different. No issues. So this is from rhythm as well. So we'll use this node as our main node for opening the Revit files. Right there, I'll give the file path. We have the file path right there. If I want to audit, then we can go with the true detached from central. I do not want to detach from central. So actually, this is not the central model right now. But if you want, then you can go with it. Preserve worksets. Yes, of course. And yeah, if we are opening the through overall model for exporting something, then it should not be close all boxes. It should not be true. So it's already false, so it should be right there. You can change the setting as you need it. Right now, it only needed file path, so I have given the file path for it. Now, after this one, we need the views, of course. So what I'll do, view by name on this node, so that we can see the views from right there. So if I'll run this one, so yeah, it has opened the document. Now it contains some maybe, yeah, I'll add the document right there. And view name, we can give the string as well, but I do not want to give the string because we have the single view. If you have multiple views, you can give as a string multiple strings and you can filter out on that basis. But right now we have one view, single view, so that I'll type the name of that one, 3D plumbing it was, right? Yeah, 3D plumbing, the view name. Uh, we know that there are two Revit models, but those are duplicates, so that is why the view will be same in both. If you have two different models, make sure that you are giving proper names of those one as well. You can add that other string as well, but right now we'll go with it with that one only. Now I need to, yeah. Now if I'll run it, we'll see the views names right there. Yeah, both the views names in both the models we got it. Both the IDs are same. Why? Because the models are duplicated, so that is why it's same. Now we got the views. After getting the views, what we need is mm, um, export. In my system, in my laptop right now, I do not have Nevis works, so that is why the Nevis will not be exported. But yeah, the procedure is same, and I'll let you know what node we can use to extract the Nevis. Right now, we can extract DWFX format. Both are same, like DWFX CAD and Nevis and IFC as well. Right there, you can see DWFX, DWG, and Nevis is also right there. I'll show you. Export NWC. Sorry, yeah, NWC. But right now we cannot go with it. But yeah, I'll create the document right there so that we'll see in a later stage. But what we can extract DWFX for now, because that does not need any kind of software. Yeah, I do not have the design software as well for DWFX format, but at least it can export it. So right there, I have the document. So I'll add the document right there. Directory path for the file where I wanted to save. So I want to save in that same folder from where I've extracted those Revit models. If you want to move, then you can move. So I'll move it right there. If you want to change the path for where you want to save the your files, you can change the path as well. Right now, I'll save in the same path, so I'll give directory path, views. We have got the views, file names. File names, okay. For the file names, what we can do is, because there are two, so we cannot directly give this name because otherwise it will create one only. So what we'll do, we'll create right here, first of all, count. Okay, so that how many how many views are right there. On the basis of that, we can consider the views names. So there are two views. Okay, now I will create a, sorry, code block will create later. Before that, I'll create repeat repeated items on the basis of this amount, and the items will be this one. Okay, now there are two different like both are 3D plumbing, but what I'll do, I'll add some more suffix in that one so that it will be different for both the views. So I'll write there, suppose a sorry, plus b, and a I'll give this one or this one because right now it has both. If I'll run it, you can see there are 3D. plumbing two times because we have two views right there. Okay, I'll add one list right there. Sorry, part one, and one more I'll add part two, and I'll add space dash so that it'll be like proper. Yeah, that's fine. Now I'll add this one so that we can get part one, part two of 3D plumbing. Yeah, right there we can see 3D plumbing part one, 3D plumbing part two. I'll give the file names, and now I'm not changing any data, but yeah, I wanted to R unit to be true. Sorry for this one. So what I'll do, I'll create a code block. I'll type right there true, and I'll add with this one. Now, currently we do not have any DWX files right there. If I'll run it, it will take time. Oh, one more thing we have forgot, that we need to close the models as well. Okay, so it is already created right there. If you'll see, it's right there created or both the DWX files without opening the Revit model. But sorry, we wanted to save the model before closing the Dynamo script. Okay, it has opened already, and we did not save and close that one. So what we'll do, close document. Yes, right there, close document, and I'll move it right there. Man, right there. Save, yeah, of course. So I'll click on true, and the document we need to give which document we have opened. So where is that one? Right there. So I need to move that one a little bit in front of that because my mouse is not good at all. So I'll move it right there, and we'll connect this document that is we have opened. So I'll connect with this one, and I'll save it. So now it has opened the document, created the what we needed, and then it has closed the model. That's all what we have done, and we have extracted both the DWX file right there, and also uh, if you want to DWG, so I'll show you the nodes for NWC. You can also use the same things that we have used for this one. If you'll see right there, if you'll see, oh man, if you'll see right there, I'll place right there. Document we have directory path, we have views, we have file name, we have, and both things it depends on you, like if you want to change or not. If you are not changing anything, that will help. That does not affect your Dynamo script because it is default values already taken. Okay, so that's how you can extract. And about DWG also we have uh, export DWG. The same thing is right there for DWG as well. The document, do not confuse about what is written right there. We can give the document right there. Directory path we have, view, file name we have. Same thing for this one. Either we can change or not, it depends on us, but it does not affect the script. Yeah, Renate, you can go with the true. So that is how we can export DWFX, NWC, DWG files with the help of Dynamo without opening the Revit models itself. It can go with the multiple model scale. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.